Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to install Forge mods for Minecraft 1.2.1.5 or later on your Mac. Before we get started, you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. So if you don't have it already, I will leave a guide linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is download the Minecraft files to our Mac, so we can install the Forge mods later. To do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher and then in the versions drop-down menu, select 1.2.1.5 and click play. Once Minecraft opens and you see the menu, this means the files have been downloaded correctly. So go ahead and click on Quit Game. And now we can go ahead and download Forge. To download Forge, open your web browser and go to files.minecraftforge.net. I'll leave this website linked in the description below. From here, click on your Minecraft version in the left-hand side menu. In this example, we are selecting 1.2.1.5. Once you've selected your Minecraft version, click the installer. You'll be taken to an ad page. Wait 5 seconds before you can skip the ad in the top right-hand corner. Once the skip button appears, click on it and the Forge installer will begin to download automatically. For this example, I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now that we've downloaded the Forge installer, we just need to download our Forge mods. Again, open your web browser and go to a modding website of your choice. For this example, we're using modrienth.com. From here, scroll down and select Discover Mods. Now you want to go ahead and choose the mods you want to download. I do recommend filtering these mods. Select the version, which is 1.2.1.5. Keep scrolling down here under Loader, select the Forge version. Now we've done this, we can go ahead and browse through mods for our Minecraft version. For this example, I'm going to choose Zero's Minimap. So I'm going to select it. Once you're inside the mod page, click on the Versions tab. Scroll down and find the version of the Minecraft mod for the version of Minecraft you are playing. It also needs to be for the Forge platform. This example is going to be the 1.2.1.5 version that is also for the Forge platform. We are going to select this one. Now click on the download button and download the mod onto your Mac. Again, I'm going to download it to my desktop. So now we've downloaded the Forge installer and our Forge mods. We just need to go ahead and install Forge. To do this, we're going to open the Forge installer. If you get this error message, we need to approve it in the system settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner. Select System Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that until you see Forge labeled here. Select Open Anyway. In the pop-up menu, select Open Anyway. You may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID to open the Forge installer. Once it opens, it will look like this. To install Forge, it's very simple. Make sure the Install Client option has been selected. Then click OK. Now, it's going to install Forge to Minecraft. This may take a few seconds if it's your first time. Once Minecraft Forge has been installed, you'll see this pop-up message. Click on OK. Now we can go ahead and delete the Forge log and the Forge installer from our desktop if you wish to do so. Now Forge has been installed. We just need to install our Forge mods. To install our Forge mods, first open your Minecraft launcher. Then click on the Installations tab at the very top. You should see Forge appear. If you don't see this, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. From here, click on the folder icon next to the Forge profile. This will open up your installation folder. Now, we need to find the mods folder. However, if we don't have one, we need to create one. Click on the circle icon in the top right-hand corner and click on New Folder. Rename it Mods. Once you've renamed it, click into the Mods folder. Then go ahead and put your Forge mods into the mods folder we have just created, like this. Once we've done that, exit out of the installation folder. Now, you need to play Minecraft with our Forge mods. Click on the Play tab at the top. In the Versions drop-down menu, select the Forge version. Now click on Play. If you get this error message, click the box and then click on Play. When opening Forge for the first time, it may take a few seconds, but you know you've done this correctly because it will say Forge in the bottom left-hand corner. If you want to see a list of the mods you have installed, click on the Mods button. Here you can find the list of all of your mods. Here you can see the Zeros minimap that we have just installed. If you want to configure it, click on the Configure button. Here you can change your mod settings. However, for this example, we are going to play Minecraft with our mod. Go back to the main menu. Now, we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as we normally would. As you can see, I've just spawned into my world, and you can see the Zeros minimap working in the top left-hand corner. I can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as I normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more RoamTech tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.